class, I will be presenting to you something different. Today's class is about numbers and it's also about time. How do you say the time in the Portuguese language? And how do you say numbers in the Portuguese language? Number 6 in some cases changes from seis to meia. And this is what I will be presenting to you today. Come with me to today's class. Okay people, so today's class is Basic Portuguese 308. And like I said, I will be presenting to you how to say time in Portuguese language and how to say the numbers in the Portuguese language. The number 6, when you say the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, in the Portuguese language it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But in other cases, when it comes to phone numbers, okay, when you try to say your phone number to someone, for example, phone number 08029476257. Alright, Portuguese language, you have it at 08029476257. I'll take that again. 08029476257. So you see that the number 6, when you say your phone number, changes. But when you say the numbers normally from 1 to 10, 6 is 6. Okay, but in phone numbers, every time it appears 6, it changes from 6 to meia. Alright, now how do you say time in Portuguese language? Time is always hora. Okay, time, hora. There is also another case where you can find the word meia or meio, okay, depending whether male or female object. Now you want to say half. When you say half in English, in the Portuguese language, it is meio. Okay, so you have 1 kilo and half. 1 kilo and half in Portuguese language is kilo e meio. Okay, 1 kilo e meio or half kilo. When you say half kilo in Portuguese language is meio kilo. Alright, when you want to say half of a bag, half of a bag in the Portuguese language is meio saco, and it can also be meia, okay, depending if it's a male or female object, because saco is a male object, so you have it as meio. But when you talk about something that is feminine, okay, it becomes meia. These are the difference when you use number 6 in Portuguese language. For a phone number, it becomes meia, but normally 6 is seis. And when you say half, half is also meio or meia, okay, depending whether it's a feminine or masculine object. Alright, so how do you say 1 a.m. in the Portuguese language? 1 a.m. in Portuguese is uma hora da manhã. Uma hora da manhã. And 1 p.m. is uma hora da tarde. Uma hora da tarde. Remember I said that number 1 and number 2 are the only numbers in the Portuguese language that can switch from male to female. When it comes to 1 a.m., it is uma hora da manhã. And 1 p.m. is also uma hora da tarde, because manhã and tarde are words attached to the feminine. And then we have 2 a.m. To say 2 a.m. in the Portuguese language is 2 horas da manhã. and 2 p.m. is 2 horas da tarde. So you have the number 2 as dois and duas, okay? In this case, you use the duas because manhã and tarde are words attached to the feminine. And when you say 3 a.m., 3 a.m. is 3 horas da manhã. 3 p.m. is 3 horas da tarde. But then, how do you say daybreak or dawn? Daybreak or dawn of the day. It's always madrugada. Madrugada. Daybreak, madrugada. Okay? It is 12 p.m. or 12 noon. How do you say 12 noon in the Portuguese language? 12 noon in the Portuguese language is meio-dia. Meio-dia. Okay? So when it is 12 midnight, it becomes meia-noite. Meia-noite. Now, how do you say 6:30 p.m.? 6:30 p.m. in the Portuguese language is 6:30 da tarde. 6:30 da tarde. Remember that I said number 6 normally in the Portuguese language is 6, but in the case of the phone number, it switches from 6 to meia. But in this case of the time, when you say 6:30 p.m. in Portuguese language, it becomes 6:30 da tarde. Okay? In most cases, the time stays the same. 1 to 12, and then it continues 1 to 12 again. So it is 1 hora da manhã or 1 hora da tarde. You have 6 horas da manhã, and then you have the 8 a.m., which is 8 horas da manhã. When it comes to night or the evening, it becomes 8 horas da noite. Okay? So at this point, I would want you to learn how to say 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m. Okay? Now 1 a.m. is 1 hora da manhã. 2 a.m., 2 horas da manhã. 3 a.m., 3 horas da manhã. 4 a.m., 4 horas da manhã. 5 a.m., 5 horas da manhã. 6 a.m., 6 horas da manhã. Okay guys, so this is the end of today's class. See you and bye-bye.